Yep.
My name is Matt Smith. Work for Crystal Metalworks Incorporated, Hatfield, PA. We had Enutron out to do some major fault corrections and a new CNC upgrade on our machine. They made the impossible possible. We have a user-friendly and functional machine. 100% satisfied with their services and the personal nature of their visits and communication, etc., etc. Highly recommended.